Oh. Yeah, we're not making that one. Good morning, YouTube. How's everybody doing, y'all? Look, today we got a busy schedule, man. Today we are going to get the new tires put on, new front alignment. Super happy. We got a lot of stuff cooking up, man. We ordered so many parts this month. We have vlogs that's gonna be stacked up, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Yeah, we not making that one.
We can just do the tires. I was like, tire outlet?
Ran into the first problem. Too fucking low. Yo, we gotta make it work, man. Something gotta happen. We got a little door right here. We might be able to make this work, man. What y'all think? We might be able to make this work. We finally got it up there, y'all. It took so much shit. So we got these fucking iron pole things right here. And then we got some wood, obviously. But we got it up there. Finally. Y'all know where I'm at, man. Hey, look. All the way out. If you've never watched any of my vlogs, right? Go back to my old ones. Go back and watch my old ones. This is a shop where I came and I got my truck built. Well, not built, but they helped me build my truck. And they pretty much sponsored me for all of my truck stuff and got my build right. Now, we're back up here because they still do my shit. Like, they got my tires today. So, this is what I got right here. You know, 275, 35, ZR19, these for the front right here, and then I got some 20s right there. ZR285, I want to say, right? Yeah, 285 right there, 285, 30, ZR20 right here. Hey, pilot, Sport Ed. My baby. Getting some new fucking meats on them. These aren't bad, but they definitely ain't online, I can tell you that. I should have burnt them off. Clay, we should have burnt them off, man. We should have burnt the tires off of it. I forgot. I did too. Shit, put y'all down, man. Hey, huge shout out to that dude on TikTok that do that, bro. He jumps out, bro, and he shows his outfit like every morning. So I'm about to let me put y'all down, man. We go Abercrombie, Jeep, crop. We go dad shorts, Abercrombie. We go Birkenstocks, Nike socks. Y'all know who it is. On the chain, Nancy. Hair tie on the wrist. That's it. What's these? I don't even know what these are. Calvin Klein's. We go Calvin Klein's on the face. And Florida humidity. It's hot. I almost forgot. I just got home and I got a new spoiler. So shout out to the boys over there West Coast. You know, the boys, if you know. West Coast. West Coast Hero. Appreciate y'all, man. Nah, real shit. West Coast, man. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all for sending me out another lip. I keep wanting to say front lip, but hey, look, I appreciate y'all for sending me out another spoiler for the trunk, cause it was looking a little bad back here. I don't know which one this one is. I think this is a PSM high kick. I think that's what it's called. But yeah. And it's, bro, it like really just goes right into place. I don't have to do no extra. Check me out, y'all. We got painter's tape. Be honest, I don't know if this even gonna work or what it's supposed to be doing. I just seen somebody else do it when they did their video, so I was like, fuck it. Let's do it. See? Oh no. Am I still in line? Oh, I'm still in line. I'm still in line. Shut up. I put it on, and right now I'm just letting it sit. You know, hopefully, you know, that 3M holds up pretty good. But, you know, I just been tape on there holding it up, you know, right? But yeah, that's it. Tomorrow I'm gonna take the tape off, and yeah, I'll see what it do. Can you feel it? Huh? Yeah, man. Put y'all down. Look, we back up here at Corbin. Y'all see him. So, like I told y'all, we had to come back up here. We gotta get a, we gotta get the front, what the hell are these things called? We gotta get the front springs adjusted and gotta get the bolts done on them, right? So, that's what we up here doing now. Finally got that tool in. Dude, there's a special tool that you gotta get. Hold on. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all. Boom. This little tool right here. Special tool. And you gotta have, that's like a, it's a 10 and a what, and an Allen wrench?
A 10 and an 18.
A 10 and an 1812. That's crazy. Just to, I guess, tighten up these, you know, top of the top hat. Yesterday I put on a PMS, I think it's a PSM rear spoiler. I'm not sure how I like it, y'all. But I want y'all tell me. Y'all tell me. Hold on, let me see. Let's get that angle. Hold on. So, it's like right here. There you go. That's that angle right there, y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Right here. Boom. Boom. Got a little side profile. Yeah, man. Look. I don't know. It looks pretty dope. This side, I don't think I put enough. I don't think I put the 3M all the way to this end. I think I stopped like right here. And it's not a full secure, but this side I went all the way. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Also, we got on a front lip, new front lip, which y'all didn't see on the last video. This is what it looks like right here. It's very aggressive. Yeah. It feels like it's straight, but I mean, you know, do your thing. Hey, why not? Why not? You don't know I got that camera in that bit probably. That camera catch everything. Hold on now. You got 2. After the 2, you good. There you go. I need an exhaust, y'all. Somebody help me out. Look at this little thing. It's an M. There you go. BMWs, Mercedes. I hope he don't get pulled over, bro. I'm gonna be honest, the tag is in the trunk too. All right, guys, I'm ending the vlog here. I don't know what all I done filmed and where I left off at, but tomorrow we have some new stuff coming in. So I'm gonna end the vlog here and we're gonna start a new one tomorrow, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Love y'all. Peace.